Hey guys!
Roland and Marlon with Impress Computers. And at Impress Computers, we've got a great selection of all the components that you need for your custom built machines. Whether you're looking for motherboards, video cards, processors, memory, liquid coolers, we've got everything. Now you can either buy the parts as you need them, or you could come in and select everything that you need for your custom build, get a pre-built one, or you could assemble it
with us. That's correct.
That's a great idea. So Marlon, you've done that with a number of people.
Yes,
what has that experience been like?
So the biggest part is the whole family comes in the conference room. So everybody's taking pictures and videos on how the kids get the whole experience. If you're somebody, I'm 24 years old, guys. If you're somebody like me and you want to get started into this world, but you don't know much about it, you can have the whole experience like Roland was just talking about. Now, you get to assemble everything from scratch, and you get to pick from every single component that you're looking at right now. This is basically just a tease of what you can pick. We have everything from Ryzen processors to AMD video cards. We have Intel, NVIDIA, case, everything in stock.
And even the latest 12th gen
Intel processors. That's correct, guys. So pretty much it takes about an hour to assemble it, and you get, like I said, the whole idea of what it looks like behind it. You know, everything from assemble it up to cable management and installing the operating system.
So if you've never put it together and you want to be able to do that,
yep,
it's a great learning experience. It also means that for maintenance on that computer going forward, you've got a better idea on
what you're going to do if you want to have the computer clean. For example, every 6 months when you change the AC filters in the house, then you do a blow off, or you can bring it into us and it's only $20 to blow it completely off. But that's pretty much what we offer here.
And sometimes people say, well, I've already got some of these components, and they'll bring in what they've got.
Right.
And then we look at what's going to be compatible with that.
Right.
And then we can take what we've got off the shelf.
That's correct.
The one advantage with buying from us is that we then help you with that warranty.
That's
so
correct.
If something goes wrong, you're dealing with us. You're not having to deal with the manufacturer.
You got it. So the biggest thing is if you go to a big box store and then you buy this pre-built computer, they use the cheapest components and you get the cheapest price, but it's very limited. There's no much upgradability.
And a lot of them only have a 1-year warranty.
1-year warranty. And then if you buy it, for example, from Best Buy, we had people coming back to us for us to repair it because Best Buy's not going to repair it. They want you to get hold of the manufacturer, which is iBuyPower, for example, and then you have to ship it to them. You have to pay for shipping. So it's like a whole hassle.
And the chances of your machine getting damaged in
transit. Yeah, we've seen those where either the glass can shatter or a video card, when it's sitting in the slot, it can bend and stuff like that can happen. You know, you're not 100% sure if something wrong can go during the transit.
So if you've got any questions, give us a call.
281-647-9977
or come in and visit us.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.